Hello everyone, welcome to the newest installment of Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today, what we got?
So, you know this little company called Taco Bell? They did this little thing called their Taco Bell chicken wings. It was a 1-week release, and the sad thing about that is, we're Canadian. We never got to try it. So what we're gonna do today? Make our own version. I'm sure it's gonna blow theirs out of the water.
Hell yes.
Let's get into this recipe. So our Taco Bell hot sauce is all dehydrated. I'm gonna take it off this parchment paper, put it in my food processor, blend it up to a nice powder, and then we got our little essence of Taco Bell that we'll be able to put in our wings. And there we got our Taco Bell chili spice. Next we're gonna make our own taco seasoning. 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon chili powder, teaspoon onion powder, teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon paprika, fresh cracked black pepper, half teaspoon chili flake. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of toasted coriander seeds for a mortar and pestle. Gonna bust it up. Add in the rest of our spice. I'm gonna finish it off with a little fresh lime zest. And there you have your taco seasoning. We got 1 pound of wings here. I'm gonna heavily season them with a little salt. Toss it up. We're gonna set them aside and make our flour dredge.
Alright, it's dredge time, baby. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of our taco seasoning, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a little mixy mix of those frisky chicks. We have our chicken wings here. The salt helps draw out some of the moisture. We're gonna add it to our dredge. Makes it stick better. There we get in there and press into those wings. Nice and dusted, every little crevice. Alright, let's get these in the fryer. You know what? Scratch that. We want these ridiculously crispy. We're gonna double dredge them in buttermilk, bring them back to the flour, and have some next level crisp. Oh, good lord. I don't think we're gonna be able to handle this, Jamal.
I can handle the crunch. Time to drop our wings. We're gonna fry these until they're golden brown and delicious.
And dumb crispy. Just thought, I don't know.
Wings are done. Trim them to about 180 degrees. Put them in our bowl. We're gonna bring them over, season them right away. Make sure all that beautiful seasoning sticks. We're gonna hit it with our Taco Bell seasoning that we made. All that dehydrated Taco Bell hot and fire sauce. Toss that up. And then come behind that with more of our taco seasoning. These smell delicious. Our Taco Bell wings. Let's dig in. Listen to the crunch. Dog! Wow. These are quite scrumdiddlyumptious. These are fucking smacking.
Wow.
Taco Bell. Bring the wings back, or at least send us a couple boxes so we can make them at home. Psych, ours are way better.
Thanks, guys.
See you next Saturday. Peace.
Wow.